Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a fascinating case that really highlights the importance of a thorough diagnostic process. A customer brought in this car because it was experiencing a persistent misfire. They mentioned it had been to another mechanic but didn't elaborate further. When we started our inspection, we pulled the spark plugs and found they were brand new, as were the ignition coils. This immediately told us that the issue likely wasn't with the spark or the ignition system itself. Our diagnostic machine was giving us some confusing readings, which is when we knew we had to dig a little deeper and go beyond the automated tests. Sometimes the most effective way to understand what's happening under the hood is through good old-fashioned manual research and hands-on investigation. We meticulously examined the fuel delivery system, and that's where we found the culprit. It turned out that injectors number 1, number 2, and number 5 were not functioning as they should, preventing the engine from getting the proper fuel mixture. Once we replaced those faulty injectors, the car's transformation was immediate. The misfiring stopped, and the engine ran smoothly again. It's a great reminder that even with advanced technology, sometimes the most critical clues are found through careful observation and a deep understanding of how these complex systems work together. We're so glad we could get this car back on the road running beautifully. Thanks for joining us for this repair story. If you found this helpful, consider following along for more automotive insights.